This is Bethel in Governor Becky Municipality, a town built around agriculture and local industry, now struggling daily for its most basic resource, water. For several years, residents have endured repeated and sometimes prolonged water outages. Local reporting, including coverage by the Bulletin, documents a pattern of long, unpredictable supply cuts and temporary fixes that never addresses the root causes. The causes are both infrastructural and institutional. Water meter and distribution leaks are widespread across town. Residents report leaks that have gone unrepaired for months and in some cases years, wasting supply and making shortages worse. This drone shot shows a cracked water pipe in a field behind Bethel Golf Course. A break residents say was reported months ago and still unrepaired. Water pours from the breach, running across the ground and wasting thousands of liters every day. Residents say they reported the leak repeatedly. The municipality's response have been slow and non-existent, leaving running water to feed wastage instead of households who need it. Municipal finances compound the problem. Governor Becky's own April 2026 standing item report on Eskom and Rand Water accounts shows severe cash flow pressure. In April 2026, the municipality paid 32 million rand to Eskom, yet an outstanding Eskom balance remained 6,815,924,368 rand and 23 cents. In the same month, it paid 42,815,241 rand and 55 cents to Rand Water, while the outstanding Rand Water balance remained a staggering 888,913,510 rand and 25 cents. Report notes limited revenue collection and competing operational obligations as major constraints. When charities and organizations step in with intermittent donations, it helps in the short term, but ad hoc deliveries are not a sustainable solution. Chronic losses from leaks and delayed repairs mean the system cannot meet basic needs. This is not only an engineering problem, it's a governance problem. Effective solutions require urgent action. Immediate repairs to long-standing leaks, faster response times, a prioritized water loss reduction program with meter audits and leak detection, and transparent reporting to residents on plans, budget, and timelines. Bethel's people cannot wait. Schools, clinics, small businesses, and households depend on reliable water for health, hygiene, and livelihoods. Governor Mbeki municipality must act now, repair the leaks, reduce losses, and restore the reliable supply. Residents deserve accountability and a clear timeline for action.